All right, so now on to materials, and these are the materials I use. You may already have your preference. These are just what I've found works for me. I try to keep things really simple. I have my core supplies, and if I'm doing kind of a special project, I might try some kind of new ink or paper or material or paint or something like that. But let's start out with the core basics. First, we'll start out with analog. So I recently got onto these field notes, and I don't know what it is about these things. I've had Moleskines and the dot grid journals from Behance, but there's something magic about these. I don't know what it is. They're just really thin. There's a dot grid on the inside, and it's just awesome for sketching out ideas or to-do lists or whatever. And I go through a billion of these things. And the designer, the creator of these is actually a graphic designer named Aaron Draplin. Look him up. He's awesome. He's really funny too. Along with that, I love these Muji pens. They're Japanese pens. You can get them on Amazon, or if you live in a big city, that you might have a Muji store. And I really like how the ink goes down. You can buy a whole set of them. I just buy them in these bags, and they end up getting lost or worn out or run out of ink eventually. Mechanical pencil, really good for just sketching out precise things really small. I'm not too particular on the brand. Just have a good lead and a good... I do like kind of the metal, the heavier weight ones versus the plastic cheapy ones. I just feel like I get a better drawing out of them. For doing shading work, I love these Prismacolor pencils, the ones without the erasers. These things they kind of have like a really waxy lead, and you can go really light, or you can go just really heavy and just super black with these things. And these kind of Prismacolor pencils work best on marker paper. I love marker paper because I don't have to have tracing paper and sketching paper and this or that. Like, I pretty much do everything on marker paper. And the reason is it has a great tooth, and it's also semi-transparent, so you can put a design underneath and sketch over it. So it's great for sketching and then scanning it, or rendering it out if I need to for actual final art. Not quite as much, but if I'm going to use a marker pen, I use a Prismacolor water-based marker pen. These are nice because there's no fumes, and they won't make you sick like some of the other kind of markers will. And that's it for analog. Oh, and copy paper. So for just real, if you're just trying to get an idea down and you're blowing through paper, copy paper is what you want to use. Because this stuff, it is a little more expensive.